Hey there, folks. This is Truth Co-op coming to you from Asheville, North Carolina. And we are experiencing a deluge. This is serious. This has been going on for about on and off kind of all day like this, but in the last 15 minutes or so, it's been a massive amount of rain that's been falling. There's been a ton. And it's just adding up. And so a river runs through it. This driveway's been converted into like a creek. I'm worried about my car flooding over here. The drainage can't really keep up. Let's climb over here. Yeah, today is Saturday, July 20th. Yeah, look at this. Yikes! Evacuate! Check this out. It's like a creek running right here now. Oh, I'm gonna get my phone wet. Getting soaked out here. Just doing that. This is a temperate rainforest. Look at this. The gutters can't keep up. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day out there. Great weekend. Oh my God, look at this about to succumb to flooding. It'll be okay. It's gonna be okay. We will survive. Alright, well, I'm gonna get out of this rain because I'm getting my phone wet, like I was saying. And I hope you're having a great day out there. Just a quick little blurb on what's going on here. So from Asheville, North Carolina, from Truth Co-op, one love, and namaste.